Good day, students. This is mathematics class for grade 10, chapter 6, triangles. Exercise 6.5, page number 151. Question number 10. A guy wire attached to a vertical pole of height 18 meter is 24 meter long and has a stake attached to the other end. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? What is guy wire? Guy wire is a cable or a rope which gives stability to the pole to stand vertically. And this guy wire is 24-meter long and has a stake attached to the other end of the wire. So what is stake? Stake is nothing but it is a wooden or a metal structure and its one end is pointed so that it can be driven into the ground to support the pole. How far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? Taut is pulled tightly or stretched tightly. Okay, at first let us understand this problem with the figure. So let us draw a vertical pole. So this is a vertical pole of height 18 meter. And a guy wire is attached to the vertical pole. So let us attach a guy wire. And this guy wire is 24 meter long. How far from the base of the pole? So this is the base of the pole. So how far from the base of the pole should the stake be driven so that the wire will be taut? So let us join these points. So let AB is equal to 24 meter be a guy wire attached to a vertical pole BC of height 18 meter. To keep the wire taut, let it be fixed to a stake at A. Then ABC is a right triangle, right angled at C. Now let us apply the Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So what is AB? AB is 24. So 24 square is equal to BC is 18. So 18 square plus AC square. So 24 square is 576, which is equal to 18 square is 324 plus AC square. Now AC square is equal to 576 minus 324. So now AC square will be equal to 576 minus 324. 576 minus 324. So 6 minus 4 is 2. 7 minus 2 is 5. And 5 minus 3 is 2. So AC square will be equal to 252. Therefore, AC will be equal to root 252. Now let us find out what is root 252 by using the prime factorization method. So 252. So we have 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6 are 12. Again 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6. We have 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. And then we have 3 7s are 21. We have 7 1s are 7. So we got these numbers in pace. So it is 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6, isn't it? So it is 6 and what is remaining is 7. So it is root 7 meters. 6 root 7 meter. So the stake should be placed at the distance of, hence the stake should be placed at the distance of at the distance of 6 root 7 meter from the base of the pole. 6 root 7 meter from the base of the pole. Is this clear, students? Thank you, students.